Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahiran Pratama. I am from Physical Education. I want to present about badminton. A history of badminton. The sport played it by shuttlecock and racket, probably developed in ancient about 2000 years ago, but it also mentioned in India, the People Republic of China. In China, there is a game called Xianzi which involves using a shuttle but without a racket. Since the shuttle is manipulated with a feet, the object of the game is to keep the shuttle off the ground for as long as possible without using your hands. The British brought the game to Japan, the People's Republic of China, and Siam, now Thailand. As the cloning Asian Tyson become children play in their local area. The competitive sport of badminton was invented by British army officer in Pune, India, in the 19th century when they added nets and played them competitively. Since the city of Pune was previously known as Pune, the game was also known as Pune in Tuesday. Soldiers brought the game back to England in the 1815. The sport got its present name in the 108,016. In the upon played by Isaac Separate, a British two-dealer athlete. Badminton Battle Door, a new game. Battledore Badminton, a new game. It depicts the game being played at the badminton house, the Duke of Bihor Estate is Gloucestershire, England. The first draft rules were written by the Badminton Club in the 1877. The British Badminton Association was formed in the 1809 and its first international competition debut in with the All England competition. Badminton rules. Number 1, a point rule. In the game of badminton in double or single, it consists of 21 number. For example, both parties got a same number, which is 20. The difference in a point must be 2. Suppose you get 21 first and your opponent get 20. You haven't come out as a winner. You will be the winner if the difference between you and the opposing team is 2. It becomes 21-20. The maximum number for each a game is 30. For is reason, if there are point 29-29, the winner is a player who reaches 30 first. Game in badminton single or double consists of 3 sets. If your team wins in 2 strike set, there will be no addition their set. If your team wins in the first set and lost in the second set, there is an addition set which is usually called Ruby game. The third set is the dancing set, where the winner in the third set is the winner. Number 2 rule. The rule of the single number badminton game are as follows. The games will serve from or receive a service from the right service field. Only if the server follows. Ya Allah. Two single number rule. The rule for the single number badminton game are as follows. The game will serve from or receive a service from the right service field only if the server value is 0 or the match is an even number such as 2, 4, 6 and so on. The service is made and received from the leave service field if the service made follow is an odd number such as 1, 3, 5 and so on. The two players playing with change the service area where each player stands each team a point is scored in each match. 3. Double number rule. As for double number, the rules are as follows. Because before the match start, it is determined which side will serve the player on the right serving field will start a service stroke towards the opponent standing diagonally in front of him. The first serve stroke is always made from the right service field. Only the player standing diagonally in front of the serving player may the service the ball of shuttlecock if a service shuttlecock is touched or struck by a partner player or who is not fetching the service player. The service side gets a point. For player error, there are several mistakes that player usually makes when serving. Error made by a player on the inside of the chute or a player serving will turn his service and will add point to the opposing team. When a player serves the position of the shuttlecock when tossed by the racket is above the waist level of the player serving or one part of the head of a racket is higher than one of the part the one a service hand holding the racket when the shuttlecock is touching by the racket. Understand the basic of the game badminton. Toss a coin of your a small contest to determine who will serve first and cause the side of the court. The first the first service in a badminton always start from the right. If the service made violates the rules, the to get a point and is if the service made of a violin is entitled to service. The right to service always goes to player or team to score a point. To make it easier for you to know which side you should bring the service to. Remember this simple rule. If the player carrying the service is out, he must be perform the service to the left of the service if even on the right. For double. If for example you bring the first service then lost point. But then manage to score point and reclaim service right. Then the player who service is your team. If after that your team score point again, the player who broke the service remain your teammate. List of international badminton competition. International badminton competitionship under the auspices of BWF are categorized into three grades, namely Grade 1, Grade 2, and Grade 3. Badminton is a iconic sport athlete. Number 1, Lee Siming King. Number 2, Maria Christine. Number 3, Rudy Hartono. Number 4, Susi Susanti. Number 5, Mia Audina. Number 6, Liliana Nasir. Number 7, Taufik Hidayat. Number 8, Vita Marisa. Number 9, Hendra Setiawan. Number 10, Kevin Sanjaya Sukamuljo. And 11, Alan Budi Kusumo. That's all from the Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.